Hello everyone, we're going to be looking at how to calculate fractions step by step. We'll be looking at how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with fractions. Let's start off by looking at adding fractions. So we have two types of problems here. One is 2 over 3, add 3 over 3. And we don't have the answer. I'll go through it in a minute. And we have 2 over 3 plus 3 over 6. So as you can see, the first one, the denominator are same. So therefore, all we need to do is add the top values together. And the denominator will stay the same. So the answer would be 2 add 3, which is 5. And since the denominator are the same, stay the same. So it will be 5 over 3. Okay? Whereas the second one, it's 2 over 3 plus 3 over 6. The denominator here doesn't match. Therefore, we need to make sure this denominator matches this one. Therefore, we need to do something with this fraction to match this. So how can we get 3 to 6? One way to do it is to times it by 2. So whatever you do to the bottom, you need to do to the top. So you have to times that by 2 as well. So that will give you, to add times 2 is 4 over 6. So now if you look at it, the denominator matches, giving us, so 4 add 3 is 7 and 6. Okay, so the key tip is to make sure the denominator stays the same. Okay, then all you need to do is just add them together. Okay, we got two examples here of fractions to take away. So if we look at the same one, it's the same as the addition one, but instead of adding, we're going to take away here. So that as long as the denominator are the same, we can just take them away, which will give us 2 minus 1, 1 over 3. Whereas this, obviously, you need to make sure the denominators are the same. Therefore, you need to change this fraction, times it by 2, both sides, both top and the bottom. And that will give you 4 over 6. Now you have a new fraction, put them back in, and it's like normal, 6. It's the same as the denominators, and 4 take away 1, and 3. So that will be the answer, okay? Cool. Now let's have a look at multiplications then. So with the multiplication, all you need to do is to times both the top numbers together, which will give us 3 times 2, 6, and the bottom 2 together, which will give us 25. That's all you need to do for multiplications. Seems pretty easy, but we are looking at all the simple fractions as of now in this video. Yeah, so let's have a look at the division then. I think it's a bit more harder than the multiplication, but it should be okay. So in order to do division between fractions, you have to follow this method called KFC. This is one of the methods you can use. So what it means, it's not the chicken stall. It is keep, flip, and change. Okay. What it means is you keep this and you flip this around, then you times them together like I showed you earlier on. Okay, so if I do this, so we're gonna keep this 2 over 8 the same. We're gonna flip the next fraction over, so it will be 4 over 2. Then what we're gonna do is times them together, which will give us 2 times 4 8, and 8 times 2 give us 16. Okay, now we just need to change it around, so 2 over 8 divided by 2 over 4 is 8 over 16. Okay, now that is the KFC method. Okay, if you ever forget, just remember KFC. Okay, keep, flip, and change. Okay, now that's how you do division. I know we've been through all the calculations quite quick, but if you do have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. And we just been through all the simple fraction calculations, but it does get harder. So if you master this techniques I've just taught you about, then you should be fine, all set to go. Okay, all right, that's all from me today. Have a good day, and thank you.